Hi, this is Will Smith. I'm here today to talk to you about some symbols I'm using to explore different realms of consciousness. And I use both acoustic and visual symbols in my work, in my process, which is all interior. So I'd just like to show you what I'm doing and see if it's interesting to you. So I use spheres because I think that they're corresponding symbols that can be used in both our vision space, our imagination, and they can exist in physical reality. And there's a correspondence, there's a phantom behind every sphere. And so I'm learning to deal with that. And it might be a phantom that's audible, or it might be a visual phantom. So the first one is the base chakra, and that one is red. The second one is the heart chakra. I use yellow because that's what they had at the dollar store. But you could use green if you want, which is a more traditional representation of the heart chakra. And then this is the head, the blue sphere. So as I mentioned, they're all from the dollar store. When you start off with this, when I start off with this, I feel it. I feel the red tone. I feel the red acoustic tone at the base of my spine and in my feet. I feel the yellow tone or symbol in my heart. And I have a correspondence with the blue sphere in my head. So once that energy starts running, then it turns into, in my imagination, in my vision space, a triangle. So the energy can run from the base to the heart to the head, or it can run from the head to the heart to the base. So the direction can change. So now that's the visual symbols. I also have audio symbols, and I'm going to turn that up. There are three sets of symbols. There's a top melody, which is the base, heart, and head, which I'll explain. There are waves. You can hear waves, and those are for breathing. You can sync your breathing to those. And then the lower one is a cat purr, which you can sync to your lower chakras, to your feet, to your base, the base of your spine. So I'm going to turn that up now. And there you can hear the purr and the waves. So the idea is I let my body focus, my body, not my ears. Of course I hear it with my ears, but my brain is quickly bored by these tones and wants to think about something else. And then I can pull up the last symbol. So after several months of listening to this every day for a while, getting into a meditative state, I can feel each of those pulses in the areas, and I can reverse it and feel it reverse, feel the energy flow reverse. Now I'm just going to let it run for another 5 minutes in case you want to try to tune in your body.